up, y'all? Hey, I'm out here working on a smoker like always, and I got one smoker cooking, paint drying on another smoker, and starting another one. So life as usual, I guess. Quarantine ain't that bad for me, but I guess we really ain't quarantined anyway. But anyway, I'm starting to offset vertical, and we're gonna do a video on it. I got some of the stuff cut out already, but I'm fixing to finish cutting for the door and the main chamber, and then I'll cut out the firebox tomorrow, hopefully. But anyway, I'll show you what I got going on right quick. This is just the side panels for it. I still got to do some more cutting to them. Cut the tops off. Put the doors, or cut the door into it. And we're going to cut it all out with the plasma over here. But I got this smoker over here cooking. Got a pork butt in there. And I'm fixing to check it. It's been about 2 hours. I went in about an hour and I'm using a brown sugar bourbon marinade, but I didn't use it as a marinade. I used it as a rub and rubbed it all over it, and then I have a smoky applewood marinade in here that I'm marinating some sausage with right now that we're gonna put on later for pulled pork and sausage sandwiches. And I'm just using the leftovers out of this to rub it every hour or so before I foil it. But anyway, that's what we're gonna get to cutting on. I got the paint drying over here, or the first coat anyway. I'll paint it again tomorrow on a 24 by 24 vertical. This will have several cutouts and stuff on it too. It's a lot of stuff to put back on that one. But anyway, like I say, I'll get it painted tomorrow. We're gonna start cutting this out, hopefully get the chamber done, and then a lot of other stuff. I may get that Santa Maria done this week. I don't know. I doubt it though. I got a little street sign or address sign to do for a lady to put in front of her house. So I'm gonna do a video on it also. So anyway, let me get to cutting on that, and then we'll check that pork butt over there, and then we'll hopefully start getting this thing put together. Alright, y'all, that'll do it on this video. I'm going to do it in a two-part thing, two-part series. And we got the firebox and the chamber pretty much done. The door will come out on the side here, and there'll be another door on the top. But anyway, that'll do it on this one. Kind of making a new look to the offset vertical. But I'll get back on it. I think it's gonna rain some tonight. But anyway, I'll be back on it. I'm gonna do a little side project in between this. So it'll probably come, I'm gonna do a video on it too, so it'll probably come before I do the second part of this. But it ain't gonna take long. It shouldn't take but a few hours, I think. But if you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe, and y'all come back for the next one. Like I say, it's gonna be a little, probably a little address sign, and then back on this thing. So y'all be looking out for it, and we'll see you then, man.